Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of speaking to Sandy Brown. He's a candidate for mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, Sandy.
Thank you.
So today I want to talk to you about infrastructure. A lot of people have different opinions as to where money needs to be pushed and where that money is going to come from. Where's your take on it? What do you see as the major projects infrastructure-wise for the town of Orangeville?
Well, as you drive around, you'll see that some of the roads need resurfacing. I think the Public Works Department has a schedule with which they roll these streets. It's very expensive to rebuild a street. Quite often when they do that, they look at other infrastructure that's underground, water and sewer that they'll sometimes tackle at the same time, because they also know the age of those pipes and that they have a certain date that they need to be replaced under. The other infrastructure things in town here are sewer and water. We've been restricted here on both those, and it has slowed development to some extent. The sewage treatment plant has just undergone a multi-million-dollar improvement, so that's going to open up some new development opportunities for builders here. And interesting thing that happened over the past few months is the town has acquired some land in Amaranth that has another significant water well, pull-in well, which is up Veterans Way. So that's another good thing for infrastructure, and it was part of a land swap with some of the Humber College land. So I think that was a very good move for the town to do that. It's going to increase water supply, which allows for additional growth. So I think town's doing it the best it can. Think about some other towns locally here. Collingwood's right on a water, huge body of water. They've got unlimited access to water. There's been a water pipe run to Alliston from Collingwood. They've got Georgian Bay water coming to Alliston, so that's allowing them to grow faster probably than we have. But I kind of like the size of Orangeville. I don't see huge development here. I think to see the steady growth because of this water issue we have, and let's face it, we've got the aquifer here that we're drawing upon. That has to be monitored. We've got environmental issues associated with taking of water, so it's going to modify our future development growth of this town. Is water's a big one. So.
Perfect. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for your answer. And if you'd like to see some of the other things Sandy has to say, please take a look at the links below. Thank you for watching.